everybody, Alan Jones here with Alan TJ Financial Services. Guys, it's about to be an amazing 2023 tax season. But what I wanted to do, guys, is I want to go over how you can download our demo tax software. So first thing I want you to do is I want you to go to your search box because you want to see if you have the email from Gene and just type in Gene. I typed in Gene. I pulled up the emails from 4 days ago, right? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the download. Now, as it starts to download, right, you're going to see it over here to the left. Now, it's going to be a zip drive. Now, once it downloads, guys, we're going to go to the zip drive. It's almost there. Voila. Now, here's the trick. I like to click on this arrow, and I like to go to show and folder because sometimes you don't know where you set your downloads to, right? So go to show and folder. So now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click right click, and I'm going to click extract, right? Because I want to extract it all. So I'm going to extract it all, and I'm going to click on extract. Now I'm going to wait for everything to extract. So it's 1,100 items, right? Let's give it just a little bit. And as this is extracting, guys, one of the things you're going to put on your laptop, your desktop, it's going to be a little bit different for people with Mac, right? Now, I think it's something that you have to download on Mac to be able to do it. I don't have Mac, so I can't go over the training on Mac. So if you got Mac and you know how to do it, the steps, believe from this process is going to be generally the same. So for time restraints, we're going to fast forward. So you're going to have two folders. You're going to see the zip file look like a zipper, right? You're going to see the file that was extracted. You're going to click on the file that's extracted. You're going to notice it's going to come up with another folder that says Xlink 21 demo. You're going to click on that, right? Now, pay attention to this. If you scroll down, you're going to see cross links, and then you're going to see setup, right? Now, of course, you got drivers and other drivers in the other folders, the Xlink 21. You're going to go down to setup, right? And once you click on setup, double click on setup. Now, here's very important. It's going to say Windows protected your PC, right? And don't run. Well, here's what you're going to do. You're going to click where it says more information. Once you click more information, it'll pop up run anyway. So you're going to click run anyway. Now, it's going to say, team thing's going to say yes. We're going to give it permission to make changes, right? Now, we're going to give it some time to go ahead and set up. Now, right now, it's installing our TaxPro Alliance demo setup. Now, once it comes here, all you're going to do, guys, is going to click next, right? You're going to accept the terms of agreement. See where it says accept, right? You're going to click next, and then you're going to click install. Now, as this installing, we're going to, once again, fast forward for time's sake, and you're going to notice that you're installed. All right, guys, as you see, it's just finished installing. So what you want to do now is you're going to say, I would like to launch your TaxPro Alliance 2021 demo and click finish. Once you do that, you're going to see it start to upload and start to launch on your screen. Give it just a little bit. All right, guys, once it pops up, it's going to pop up on its own. You're going to notice it's going to say software setup with Windows is going to have everything already checked. Scroll down to click where it says OK. Now, if you have a problem with it saying OK, guys, you can't get to it, make sure your bar down here is down further enough so that you can see the OK button. Click OK, and guess what, guys? You have the demo software, right? So what we want you to do is we want you to work, play around with it, play around with, adding new returns, different things of that nature, guys. This is to play around with. See at the top, it says business returns, and it says 1040 returns, So this is something that you could just play around with, click on all the buttons, get used to it because you're going to be using this a lot. You're going to be using this a lot. So I want you to go ahead and just start, creating, fake returns, different things, and, play around, just play around with this whole thing, I'm just pushing some things in there just to show you, real quick, how it looks. That's just a fake number that I created, and boom, But now you click over there to add form. Now everything, your filing status, all this stuff is just going to pop up on the screen, guys. This is something that you could play around with, easily play around with. It says what's the filing status, single, MFJ, married filing jointly, married filing single, had a house with her, just play around with different things that you can do here on the basis. And in addition to that, guys, you see how things start to just populate. And you could take some of your old W-2s or just create something, look at it, Google, whatever the case may be, guys. And these are groups. So I'll get back in here. I'm gonna share this video with you guys in the Facebook Messenger group. So that's easy. That's how you download the demo software. Let's go out here and explode this 2023 tax season, guys. We are tax advisors, and we're going to show people how to get the maximum amount that they can get on their returns. With that being said, everybody have a blessed day. Hope this helped.